Methodical. This is a fully animated cartoon character speaking directly to you from inside a consistent, stylized living room. Most AI video tools produce random, one-off clips. Our goal is different. We're building a system designed for a multi-episode series where the logic of the world stays the same. This process relies on 3 specific pillars: your character sheets, your location sheets, and your locked audio files. To follow this workflow, you will need an active Higgsfield AI account, a language model like Claude, and the prompt framework file. Using an asset library workflow allows a single person to manage the responsibilities of a writer, director, and animator simultaneously. We start by creating a character reference sheet. For this, we use the Nano Banana Pro model within Higgsfield AI. You provide the model with a style reference image, something that captures the look you want, alongside a photograph of your subject. In your text prompt, you must request a neutral expression with the character's arms relaxed at their sides to ensure a clean, repeatable base. You also need to describe details that might be hidden in your reference photo, like specific shoes or trousers. If you don't define these, the AI will guess, and your character's outfit will change between shots. Once this sheet is locked, you can swap the subject in your prompt to create an entire cast, like a grumpy cat or a monster, while keeping the exact same art style. After the characters are ready, we use that same character sheet as a style anchor to build our environments. You will prompt for a room that is entirely empty, ensuring no characters are present in the generation. This generates 4 distinct angles of the same room: a view of the sofa, a top-down look at the rug, a perspective from the window, and one from the doorway. These empty shots serve as your virtual soundstage. You can now place your characters into these specific frames with total control over their movement. These reference sheets give the AI the specific data it needs to maintain consistency, ensuring the character and the room look the same every time you render a new scene. Now we have to address a common technical hurdle. Many AI models struggle to map specific voices to characters when you use standard MP3 files. The solution is to drop your voice recording into a standard video editing timeline, disable the video track so the screen is black, then export the file as an MP4 or MOV. Standard audio files often result in drifting, generic voices. Using a black video file keeps the voice cloning stable. It forces the system to treat the voice as a fixed structural asset rather than a loose audio layer. Mastering this blank video method is currently the only way to keep multi-character dialogue consistent across a full episode. This is your key visual. It is a single shot that acts as the spatial blueprint for your scene, showing the characters positioned exactly where you want them. Upload this key visual, your character sheets, and the prompt framework file into an AI language model. Briefly describe your story idea. The model will use the framework to generate a complex, multi-shot script with specific timestamps for every action. Move that script into Higgsfield AI and ensure you have the Seance 2 model selected for the final render. Upload your visual sheets and your verified blank video audio files into the interface. To link the dialogue, type the @ symbol after each line in your prompt. This opens a menu where you can select the specific audio file for that character. Match your generation length to the timestamps provided in your script and begin the render. By tagging your prompts this way, you are directly connecting your narrative intent to your fixed assets. Here is the result: a finished scene where a cartoon cat reacts to a character in the doorway. The voices are stable and the style is consistent. You might see small artifacts, like a hand movement that looks slightly off, or a prop that shifts during the final frames. Do not spend your rendering credits trying to get a perfect raw file. It is much more efficient to simply trim those minor errors in your video editor. The framework file is available in the description. You can download it now and start drafting your first scene. By building an asset library instead of relying on random generations, independent creators can now produce and launch their own episodic series.